Alright, so welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Tonight we will be going live, okay, at 8 p.m. 8 to 9. It'll be a 1 hour show with call in on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is 321-576-2232. That thing that happened in Arnett Garden in Jamaica with the little girl, the 14-year-old girl, and how they burnt her and all that other stuff, that's what we're going to be talking about tonight. But you know how we talk about stuff already. This is a multi-dimensional problem, okay? And we need to air this out. So tonight we are going to beat some people bad, but we're going to have an intelligent conversation, so bring your manners and respect and come true. Tonight, 8 to 9 p.m., we go live. Myself with my co-host, Brains and the Beat, tonight. Set your clock and tune in. All right, see you then.